Question number 3. In the 1990s, conservationists began planting more than 500,000 native trees in the habitat of the Azores bullfinch to boost the birds' numbers. This approach was apparently blank. The Azores bullfinch's population size increased from as few as 100 birds at the end of the 1980s to around 1,300 in 2023. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? A. Amusing, B. Costly, C. Successful, or D. Disastrous? Conservationists began planting more than 500,000 native trees in the habitat of this particular bird so that the birds' numbers can increase. And as you can see, from 100 birds in 1980s, it has come up to 1,300 in 2023. So, which logical and precise word can we use to fill that blank? So, if you said C, well done, that is the correct answer, because it most logically completes the text discussion of the conservationists' efforts to increase Azores bullfinches' numbers. In this context, successful means accomplishing a goal or purpose. According to the text, conservationists planted more than 500,000 native trees in an Azores bullfinch habitat in order to boost the bird's population. The text then indicates that the population size did indeed grow as a result of the planted trees. Thus, in this context, the conservationist approach of planting native trees was successful because it achieved the goal of increasing the bird's population size. A is incorrect because the text gives no indication that the conservationist approach of planting native trees to increase Azores bullfinches' numbers was amusing or comical or entertaining. Instead, the approach was seriously undertaken and ultimately accomplished. B. Costly is incorrect because the text doesn't address how much it costs to achieve the goal of planting native trees to increase Azores bullfinches' numbers. The text indicates that the approach was beneficial and successful rather than costly or expensive or harmful. Choice D is incorrect. According to the text, the conservationist approach of planting native trees to increase Azores bullfinches' numbers was beneficial and successful rather than disastrous or damaging or unsuccessful. So it was successful because the birds' number has increased.